Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ManyChat, Instagram, and WhatsApp into GoHighLevel without writing a single line of code or paying for Zapier. This integration is incredibly powerful for automating your messaging across multiple platforms, and it's surprisingly straightforward to set up. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to the GoHighLevel login page. Once there, sign in using your credentials. This is your central hub for managing all your marketing automation, so make sure you're logged into the correct account before proceeding with the installation. After logging in, you might notice the agency account switcher at the top of your screen. This is particularly important if you're managing multiple agencies or sub-accounts. Click on it to ensure you're logged in as the agency manager account. Working from the right account level is crucial because it determines where the integration will be installed and who will have access to it. Now turn your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various navigation options. Look for and click on App Marketplace. This is where GoHighLevel houses all its available integrations and extensions, making it easy to expand your platform's capabilities without needing technical expertise or third-party tools. Once you're in the App Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type in ManyChat and hit Enter. Several results will populate on your screen, but you're looking specifically for the one labeled ManyChat. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it to view more details. This will take you to the ManyChat overview page where you can review important information about the integration. Take a moment to read through the descriptions, including details about pricing, the app category, and the current version. Scroll down to see additional information about features and compatibility. Once you're comfortable with what you're seeing and ready to proceed, click the Install button. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to specify which account or sub-account you want ManyChat installed on. This gives you precise control over where the integration lives within your GoHighLevel ecosystem. Make your selection carefully, especially if you're managing multiple clients or business units. After choosing the appropriate account, click Continue to finalize the installation. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ManyChat with GoHighLevel, giving you seamless access to Instagram and WhatsApp messaging automation without any coding or expensive third-party connectors. This integration opens up powerful automation possibilities for your business or your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.